Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about straight line. So before starting straight line, we will discuss the most basic elements or parts of what? Geometry. The three most basic elements or parts of geometry are: first one point, second one line, third one plane. So these three are what? The three most basic elements or parts of what? Geometry. See, first one, point. See, a point indicates only position. Point indicates what? Only position, and it is denoted by capital letters. See, if I consider one circle, if I consider here one circle, the center O indicates the origin. O indicates what here? Origin. This is nothing but what? The position of the circle. Therefore, a point indicates only the position. So this is a point. Otherwise, if I consider one triangle, you know every triangle has how many points? 3 points. So this I am going to denote it by A, this point B, and this point what here? C. So every triangle has how many points? 3 points. A, B, C. These 3 points indicates what here? The position. And it is always denoted by what here? Capital letters. Next, line. A line is set of points that extend forever in both the directions. Okay. So this is the line. So in this line here, so many set of points will be there. Here so many set of points will be there, that all set of points together form what here? A line. But you can extend a line in both the directions. So in this example, you can extend in left hand side also, you can extend in right hand side also. Okay, you can extend right hand side, you can extend what here? Left hand side. Therefore, a line is a set of points that extend forever in both directions. Next, line segment. A line segment is part of line with fixed end points, and it has definite length. So if I consider the line, so this is the line, correct? Because you can extend in both the direction. So in this line, I'm going to consider this part. So this part I'm going to consider. So here, this is the A point, and this one is about here B point. So this is nothing but what here? The line, because here arrow mark indicates what? You can extend in both the direction. But this is not a line. This is what we call it as what here? Line segment. Why? Because this is the part of what? The line. Okay. So line segment means what? This is a part of what? Line, but it has a fixed points, means starting point will be there as well as what here? End point will be there. So this is what we call it as what here? Line segment. Therefore, line segment means what? A line segment is a part of line with fixed end points. So starting point will be there as well as what? End point also will be there, and it has definite length. Ray. A ray is a line with one of the end point is fixed and it can be extended in one direction. So this is what we call it as what here? Ray. A ray is a line. So this is the line, okay, with one of the end point is fixed. See, one of the end point is what here? Fixed, and it can be extended. This arrow mark indicates what? You can extend the line in one direction. So this is what we call it as what here? Ray. Next, parallel lines. Two lines in the same plane are said to be parallel if they do not intersect with each other. Such type of lines are going to call it as what here? Parallel lines. Okay, two lines are in the same plane are said to be parallel if they do not intersect. Do not intersect means what? They will not meet with each other. If we extend in both the direction, these two lines are never going to meet with each other. That is the meaning of what? Do not intersect with each other. Then such type of lines are going to call it as what? Parallel lines. Next, perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if angle of intersection between them is equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is the definition. Means if two lines meeting point should be what here? 90 degree. Two line meeting point should be what here? 90 degree. Such type of lines are going to call it as what here? Perpendicular lines. Okay, therefore two lines are said to be perpendicular if angle of intersection means meeting point. Okay, angle of intersection between them is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Then only such type of lines are going to call it as what? Perpendicular lines. Next, midpoint formula. If M is the midpoint of the line joining 2 points. Okay, this M is the midpoint of what? The line joining 2 points. That is, first point is A in bracket x1 comma y1 and second point B in bracket x2 comma y2. Then midpoint formula is given by M is equals to in bracket x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Next, distance formula. Let A in bracket x1 comma y1 and B in bracket x2 comma y2 are 2 points. Then distance AB is given by the formula AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. So remember these two formulas. First one is midpoint formula. M is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and the distance formula is AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. For example, find the midpoint of A in bracket 3 comma minus 2 and B in bracket minus 5 comma minus 6 if they give. So how to find? Solution. First point A in bracket 3 comma minus 2 you should consider as x1 y1, and B in bracket minus 5 minus 6 you have to consider as what? x2 comma y2. First point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. Then write the midpoint formula. You know midpoint formula M is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which is equals to, substitute the value x1 value is 3, middle positive sign, x2 is minus 5 in bracket you put divided by 2 comma y1 is minus 2, middle positive sign, and y2 is how much here? Minus 6, again in bracket divided by 2. Next, do the simplification. So keep it that bracket as it is. So 3 plus into minus is minus 5 divided by 2 comma minus 2, again plus into minus is what? Minus 6 divided by what? 2. So which is equals to, again in bracket 3 minus of 5. 3 minus of 5 is minus 2 divided by 2 comma minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 divided by 2. So next cancel 2 get cancel, here 2 ones are 2, 4. Therefore what is the midpoint value here? Minus 1 comma minus 4. Next, second example, find distance between 2 points, A in bracket 6 comma minus 5 and B in bracket 2 comma 3. So you need to find out the distance of what? AB. AB distance you need to find out. Again same, first point is given, A in bracket 6 comma minus 5 consider as x1 comma y1 and B in bracket 2 comma 3 consider as x2 y2. So you need AB distance, correct? Therefore write the formula. AB is equals to, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. So next substitute the values. Keep that square root as it is in bracket x2. What is the x2 value here? 2. So 2 minus x1. x1 is 6 whole bracket square plus again in bracket y2. y2 is 3 middle negative sign. y1 is how much? Minus 5. So in bracket you put minus 5 whole bracket square. So which is equals to, keep that square root as it is. So first 2 minus 6 is minus 4 whole bracket square plus here minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus. So 5 plus 3 is how much here? 8 square. So which is equals to, under the square root, see here negative sign is there but power is what here? Even number. So minus becomes what here? Plus, because you are multiplying minus 4 how many times here? 2 times. Okay, like this, minus 4 whole bracket square is there. So minus 4 into minus 4. So minus into minus is plus. So 4 into 4 is how much here? 16. If power is even number, negative sign becomes what here? Positive. If power is odd number, so negative sign will remain as it is. Therefore here power is even number, so minus 4 square is 16 plus 8 square is 64, which is equals to square root of 16 plus 64 is how much? 80. So this is the AB distance value.